Here's more of the bathroom. Kara being a little thief over there. Oh, there's two little showers. There's a bathtub right there. And then there's the shower. It's cool.
Look at that.
Ooh. Cool. And then hard to see out there. And then there's a lake. Cool backyard. And here's the cool shower. Say hi, Kara.
I'm taking a shower.
Oh, there's the polar bear thing. Then you come back here. All of this cool stuff. And there's a cool TV up on the wall. Cool, and cool place. Big mirrors. Big closet space. Say hi, Evan. And you come back around. You're back in here. There's another bath. Oh, look. There's a other type of toilet, little French ones.
Toiletry.
Yeah. We're just gonna take the golf cart to get gas.
Alright.
Oh, cool.
Huh?
That place is so cool.
Isn't it unbelievable?
Yeah.
This area, I love this area, but there's that area over by the kitchen not yet.
I know, it's so cool.
My hair's pissing me off.
The one living area I love, and then that other one by the kitchen. Yeah. Okay, we'll be right back.
Okay.
I'll show you the, like, guest bedroom.
Oh, so cool. Okay. Sounds good.
Okay, good. You'll have to go to bed.
Oh, no, I'm going to show you all.
Oh, look at all the guns. Yep. Cool guns on the wall.
I don't have to sit in the back.
Okay. And there's this cool area.
Here's the fridge.
Here's the backyard. Oh, hold on. Oh, cool kitchen. Wow.
Here's beer in here.
Oh, awesome kitchen.
Look at the beer.
Yes, beer. Dude, while the parents are out. Oh, look at this cool sink. Sink is so awesome.
What is this?
Outside.
shit.
Ooh, let's check it out. What is it? Is it Pinot Grigio Cavit? Is it alcohol? Say hey again, Kara.
Oh, party.
Oh, party. Sorry, parents. I'm gonna party.
It is.
Just kidding. Oh. Oh, look at this place back here. What is this? What is this? Oh, there's me back there. Oh, wine. Oh, cool. Let's go. Lights. Oh, lights are coming on. Whoa, came on fancy. Cool chandelier. Let me try.
Try it.
Let me try. Oh! I'll try some more. I'll try some more. Woke me up.
Yeah.
Oh, it's cool sky.
I'm going to be a little bit tipsy.
Not too bad starting the morning off. Oh, I lived out here. I'll come back over here real quick. See what's happening. Okay. Got a cute little dining area. Oh, here's the backyard. Cool backyard, huh? Oh, and there's their little pontoon boat, fishing boat, over there. It's farthest I can zoom in. There's like a little guest bedroom right here. Kara's still digging in the fridge. Awesome. Too good to be true. Awesome. Alright, well that's it.